Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are playing FS22 and I got my combine harvester out in the field. As you can see, my brother is playing with me and we're gonna go unload him here, but I need a bigger trailer. Also, I'm gonna go and purchase the 47.5 and yeah. No duels. No duels. Purchase a trailer, so